Good morning, dear students. Once again, I welcome you in EVS class. So, in today's topic, we are going to learn lesson number 6, and that is we need air. So, before we start, we will do one get started activity. Okay? So, what you have to do in that get started activity? Let's find on your page number 174. Here you have one activity. Keep your hand in front of your mouth. Blow into it. What do you feel? Now what you have to do is अपने हाथ को निकालेंगे and you have to blow air. So which type of air you feel? Warm, cold or nothing? I feel warm air. So I will take here on the warm air. So this is your get started activity. So you have to do this get started activity in your book only. Okay, after this we are going to learn how important air is for us. So let's read the lesson and find out. Air is all around us. All living things need air. People, animals and plants cannot live without air. So, यहाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं? Air is all around us. We can feel the air, but we cannot see the air because air don't have color, smell or taste. But only we can feel the air. And people, animals and plants cannot live without air. So, for living, we need air. Air is very important for us to live. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. When air moves, it is called wind. So, when air is moving, because air is all around us, and so moving air is called wind. Now see here. You can feel air if you fan yourself. If you fan yourself, you can feel the air. Now here, you can feel air on a moving two-wheeler. Yes? When you go by two-wheeler, you can also feel the air. Yes? Because air is all around us and moving air is called wind. Now here, we have an activity to do. Air takes up space. Now how air take up the space? Blow air into a balloon. See how it becomes bigger and bigger. आपने भी बलून को बहुत बार ब्लो किया है. यस? जब बलून में कुछ भी नहीं होता है, बलून विथ लिटिल एयर इनसाइड इट, फिर हम क्या करते हैं? उसमें ब्लो करते हैं उसको. उसमें जब ब्लो करते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है? पूरी हवा भर जाती है. सो एयर फिल्स अप द स्पेस इनसाइड द बलून. तो क्या होता है? बलून में पूरी हवा भर जाती है और उसका शेप कैसे हो जाता है? इट गोज बिगर एंड बिगर. सो वी कैन से दैट एयर टेक्स अप स्पेस. सो क्या हुआ? इसमें पूरी हवा भर गई. एयर ऑक्युपाइज द स्पेस. So this is an activity you can do at your home and find out how air take up the space. Air has many uses. Yes, air has many uses. Like people, plants and animals need air to breathe. ठीक है? People means हम लोगों को, plants को और animals को भी किसकी ज़रूरत है? Air की. टू ब्रीथ. हम सांस लेते हैं ना, तो हम फ्रेश एयर लेते हैं. एंड जब हम ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं तो हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकालते. वी ऑल्सो नीड एयर टू ड्राई आवर क्लोथ्स एंड एयर हेल्प अस टू ड्राई आवर क्लोथ्स. लाइक ग्लाइडर, सेल बोट एंड विंडमिल ऑल्सो नीड एयर टू मूव. Fast moving air can turn the blades of a wind. जब बहुत तेज हवा चलती है तो ये जो विंड मिल है इसके जो फैंस है वो मूव होते हैं. Air helps boats and ships to move. And air helps boats and ships to move. Air is needed to light a fire and to keep it burning. Air is filled into footballs, swimming tubes, tire tubes and balloons. So see, football, swimming tube, tire tube and balloons also need the air. Without air, you cannot use this flat football without air. Strong winds cause storms. Sometimes the wind blows fast and strong. है ना, कभी कभी हवा बहुत तेज चलती है, देखा है आपने, बहुत ही तेज. Fast and strong winds can cause a storm. और ऐसे ही fast and strong air क्या लेके आती है, storm को लेके आती है. Storms bring houses and trees down. और जब storm आता है तो क्या होता है, बड़े बड़े घर, बड़े बड़े ट्रीज क्या होता है, उखड़ जाते हैं या गिर जाते हैं. Storms can also hurt people. और storm से कई जो लोग झोपड़ियों पे रहते हैं, कई लोगों को भी hurt हो सकता है because of storm. So what is storm? Storm is fast and strong wind is called storm. Okay, we'll see quick recap. We cannot see air, but we can feel it because air don't have any taste, smell or color. We can only feel the air. Moving air is called wind. Air takes up space. We need air to breathe. Air can be filled into many things. Now, this is all about today's lesson.
Take some small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air. Air occupies space. Take a balloon. Blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows that air occupies space. We can fill air in a swimming tube, football, bicycle tube, etc. Air has weight. Take 2 empty balloons. Fill air into one of the balloons. Now weigh both the balloons. You will find that the balloon which is filled with air is heavier than the empty balloon. So we can say that air has weight. Air is needed for burning. Take 2 candles. Fix them on a table. Ask an elder to light both the candles. Now cover one of the candles with a glass tumbler. What happens? After some time, you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why? The candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. A thing can keep burning only when it gets air.
I have one activity for you. Now you have to do that activity. Now what you have to do in this activity? On page number 177, you have to take a paper. We will make paper fan here. Bring an old newspaper from home and you have to make this paper fan. You know how to make this paper fan? I hope you know how to make the paper fan. Okay, you can take colorful paper also or waste paper also. And after this, it will look like this. Nice activity, no? So you have to make this fan with the help of your parents. Goodbye. Have a nice day.